Okay, so the 240Z is now in the air. You can see what's underneath. The rust is extensive. Scary, in fact, scary. Massive rusting underneath the floorboard. As expected, you know, the entire car has got to be rebuilt with new sheet metal. But surprisingly, everything moves and turns smoothly. This is due to forklift. This is forklift damage. The front and back. That's how they move the car while in customs. No choice. What can we do? They've lost the keys to the car, so they cannot even move the car. As you can see, the carburetors have been removed. We're working on it. Engine will be started soon. This is the place where the aircon compressor resides. Has been removed as well. So working on it frantically. Hopefully we get it started very soon. She's got all her bones, but they may not be the best. We'll get it back to where it needs to be soon lah. The moment we've all been waiting for. The engine has started. Water pump, everything works well. Let's see how things inside the engine bay is looking. The car. Wow, RPM works. RPM is readable. Alright. Amps working, temperature not. Amps is working, temperature not working. I wonder if aircon works. Oh my gosh, it works. Oh my gosh, it works. It works. The blower works. Key works. Oh, very impressive. Very impressive for such a junky car. This carburetor overflows. Beautiful. Yep, water's flowing. Yep. Water pump's working. Amazing. Alternator is working as well. So happy, so happy, so happy. Oh my goodness. Let's see if the radio works. Oh my goodness, there's power. There's power. Radio works. Okay. I'm not gonna mess around with too much with all these things. Horn doesn't work. RPM works. just amazing. This car is amazing. See if we can turn on the lights. Let's go check out. The lights should be on now. Oh no, the lights don't work. This light's turned on. This light doesn't work. Oh man. Some things work, some things don't work. Wow! Signal light works. Let's go check it out. Yeah, it's just... No, none of the signal lights work. No. Amazing, man. This car is amazing. So happy with it. Yeah. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching the update on the 240Zs. I hope you guys are able to follow it. And I'm sorry about the abrupt ending. You know, I just wanted to get the video out there because it's a few months in the making, and these things takes time. So just wanted to get the video out for you guys, and so that it doesn't get too stale. You all get to see some updates, and you know what's going on, some progress. And if you enjoy, just follow me in my process of restoring all three of the Zs. The white Z will be coming out from the workshop soon, and then it'll be sent to body shop. The blue 280Z will be started, and that car will be my daily car. I will get it running as soon as possible, and it will be my daily driver for as much as I can use it for. Hopefully there's not much body rot, so I can drive it as it is, but I've got a feeling I still have to send it in for some undercarriage work. But anyway, stay tuned. The blue color 280Z will be next, and I will show you the farewell to the white 240Z, and hopefully the return of the white body 240Z that's in Johor. Anyway, I will constantly put random updates, and I'll fit clips and videos into a short video like this. Thanks guys. Like and subscribe. Click the bell icon so that you get notifications. Thanks for watching. Bye.